Talking about past relationships on a first date.
So bad.
So bad. Yeah, so bad.
Kahit hindi first date, ayoko na binibring up yung ex.
Why would you bring up your ex on a first date? Nandyan ka nga to start a new chapter. So I guess if that's the case, I'm gonna send you back to your lover if you're not over her, diba?
Laging nililibre si crush.
Love you.
Ako gusto ko yung lagi naglilibre. Ayoko yung nililibre.
Actually, crush mo ba ako? Lagi mo ako nililip. Crush mo ako.
Feeling.
Saring lang. I love you. Parang, wala, ang cute lang. Tapos, it doesn't have to be like necessarily big, the gesture. Kahit, ano lang, like super simple lang. Kaya dyan lang kayo sa tabi kumain. It's the thought that counts.
Ako, pag nililibre naman ako, parang feeling ko ayaw niya sa akin.
Why?
Kaya, for example, pag ako yung nag-offer, tapos sinasabi niya na, hindi, I can pay. Parang sa akin, ayaw mo ba sa akin? Parang gano'n.
Diyan ka ba nagpapalibre naman sa isip niya?
Lagi. Joke lang.
Next, changing yourself for your partner. Example, adjusting to their lifestyle, what they like, or you also like.
Love you so bad.
Importante kasi yung pag-compromise sa relationship. Throughout the journey, feeling ko mangyayari talaga. Mag-adjust kayo sa isa't isa.
If you think that you're going to be a better version of yourself, then that's fine. But if you're going to change who you are completely, then that's also a red flag because you can't change your core and kung sino ka as a person just because of a guy or just because of a person.
Giving extravagant gifts to your partner using your own allowance.
Parang wala namang ikaka-red flag or so bad yun. Again, it's the thought that counts, big or small. Kung hindi ko naman appreciate, parang apaka-unappreciative mo naman. Pero parang, if ako yung babae, mas gugustuhin ko na, i-save mo na lang
Save
yan
mo na lang.
for your future.
Wow. Nice.
Next, sacrificing your goals to make your partner happy. Example, turning down life-changing opportunities for work or school just to stay with your partner.
So bad.
So bad.
Oo. Red flag yan. Bakit mo pipigilan yung growth mo at yung future mo para sa isang tao? If you have to stop yourself